Hello everybody, welcome to SolidWorks 2017. In this video we will learn extrude command and orientation command. This is the extrude command and you may click here. Now I am not able to take this command. The reason is that first you have to click your sketch. First I click the sketch. Now it's selected. Now I will take my extrude command. So I click here and you may see that my object has been 3D. Okay, so there are two ways how to extrude something. There is an arrow and you can drag from here. You can drag it directly, it will extrude automatically. Okay, and another thing, here is this arrow, also you click here and it will increase one side. There is two direction, there is one direction and second is here two direction. If you want to increase both side, so you have to click both direction. Now it will increase both direction. Let's suppose like that. Suppose I want to increase this side, so I have to put the value here. I want 50 is here, you may see here that value decrease. Okay, and now I want to decrease that one value, so I have to put here value 50. Now it is 100. Okay, so but we don't use this kind of direction, mostly we use this kind of. And if you want to extrude from the mid side, so you have to choose here from this mid plane. Okay, now I will put the value here and it will increase automatically both side. You may see here it's increasing, both side increasing. Okay, and click here. Now the object has been 3D object. Okay, and the second thing is that orientation. What is orientation? You want to see the different views, so you have to select the orientation command is here and it has different views, front view, top view, bottom view, right view, left view, and this is our back view. It also has the 3D views, isometric, dimetric, trimetric. Okay, so we use here from the any isometric views. Mostly we use isometric views. This is my isometric views. Okay, and it has also one command. This is normal. How to use the normal side? Suppose I want this side. Suppose I want to work this side, so I have to just click this side and go to the normal, so it will appear in front of me. And I want to work this side, so I will just click here and I will go to the normal, so it will appear to me. Okay, and I can sketch here, just click here and go to the sketch, and now I can sketch here whatever I want. Okay, so thank you so much everybody for watching my videos, and please subscribe and like my channel, and please share my video. Thank you so much.